Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And the next question in GATE CS PYQ series is, which of the following statements are correct? Option A is static allocation of all data areas by a compiler makes it possible to implement recursion. So option A, basically it is true. Why it is true? Because static allocation of all data areas by a compiler makes it impossible to implement recursion, because recursion is basically used to evaluate function call, and earlier, before evaluating function call, we don't know that how much function call will be there, right? That is why static allocation, data areas by compiler make it impossible to implement recursion. So this is true. And if we talk about statement 2, automatic garbage collection is essential to implement recursion. No, automatic garbage collection is not essential, right? It is false. Option C, dynamic allocation of activation record is essential to implement recursion. Yes, because we don't know that how many activation records are in the memory, right? How much memory will require for activation record. We will not know until and unless we will implement in runtime. That is why dynamic allocation of activation record is must necessary. That is why for recursion, right? So it is again true. And option D is both heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. Basically, heap can also implement recursion and stack can also implement recursion, right? No need both. Both is not required. Only one is also suffice, right? That is why this is false. So first and 3 is the correct answer. So option D is correct answer, guys. Don't get confused in option 4. Here it is written that both heap and stack are essential, but both are not required. Either you have heap, it is essential, okay. Either you have stack only, it is okay, right? So both basically both and it makes this incorrect. That is why it is false. Okay, so option D is the correct answer for this question.